Hey, crypto family. Hope y'all been doing good wherever you're at. So the market's been doing pretty good the past couple of days. We're gonna actually go over some of our altcoins that we had picked and some that have been doing really well actually. So going to our watch list here, we can see that Solana has actually been doing really good, up 8% today to $24.10. I believe this is going to be a strong performer for the future, as well as FTT token. DeFi coins and any coins on the FTX exchange have been doing very well, so definitely keep an eye on these two, as well as Origin Protocol. We announced this a week ago, and this is up nearly 12% to $1.95. So when we announced this, it was $1.34. Basically, Lupe Fiasco released his NFT, or is going to release his first NFT on the Origin Protocol platform. I believe it's April 14th, so expect this to pump more as we get closer to that date. And then we have, of course, we have our NFT coins. Red Fox Labs, I think, is going to do very, very well. They have a lot of upcoming announcements, so that's up to 31 cents. And then Paid Network is a really good one as well. Got this one when it was 279, so nearly 100% return on that, up 15% today. And then also a big one, I think, Eternity Chain. They're coming out with, I believe, some digital trading packs. So again, some more NFT items. So one to keep an eye on over the next couple weeks. And then also Radium, providing more liquidity farming, pools, fusion pools, where you can get APR on both of the coins you're staking, not just rewards in one. So that's been huge. And they also have COPE rewards, which have 1,200% APR, which is insane. And then last but not least, NRV Finance. So this one is up to 260, up 21% today. This has been insane. And this one, if you look on my Twitter, I notified this when it was just 50 cents. So I notified it here on my Discord March 19th. And if you go ahead and look, we'll go ahead and click on NRV, and then we'll go to the market, and you can see that actually March 19th, right there. So you can see March 19th, it was between 48 and 56 cents. And that was when we notified it, and you can see it's been doing amazing lately. I believe NRV Finance is a huge, huge project, the first stablecoin AMM that actually is pairing with a lot of big partnerships and is really, really well in what it does, and it's actually backed by a lot of big Twitter followers. So right now it's ranked 385. I believe this can easily go to the top 100, which is based on its market cap right now of 120 million. That's an easy 6 to 7x from its current valuation, so easily over $10 or more. So definitely keep an eye on NRV Finance. It's a big one coming down the pipeline. But last but not least, let's go over some technical analysis. So for Bitcoin here, you can see I drew this daily trend line here, so let's go ahead and zoom out a little bit. So you can see it's been respecting this trend line. It crossed under it, and now it's having a hard time crossing over it. So right now the MACD is crossing to the downside barely. So if we can get back to the upside, that's going to be very, very bullish for Bitcoin. You can see the RSI is curving to the downside, but the MFI Pro is curving to the upside here. So right now, we are showing some positive money flow, and then the whales buy sell also gave a buy. Would have got you in here at 55,000. So again, some conflicting indicators right here. I think that if Bitcoin can remain above this support line here at 57,900, again, we can continue to retest this previous support of 59,700. And then if we can break that again, then look at that all-time highs above 60,700. So I'm just seeing if we can break more here. I'll actually go to the 4-hour here for a second. So right now, the 4-hour, you can see that the MACD is starting to level out a little bit. Looks like it wants to curve to the upside, and the MFI Pro is actually very oversold. So it looks like could be some action to the upside here, retesting this resistance. But again, we'll have to see what happens because a lot of these indicators are conflicting, and we could have a cool down period. And if we break through this 57.9, then again, looking to go all the way down, possibly to 54,400 if this 56,500 level can't hold. Next, going over Ethereum. So Ethereum right now, again, we had a buy here on the whales buy sell at 1690. And then right now, it went all the way up to 2131. Now, looking on the MACD on the daily, it is still curving up, as well as the RSI is still curving up. And the MFI is starting to, looks like it wants to curve up. So again, Ethereum looking pretty bullish right now. The next resistance we have is at that 2130 level. And if we break that, then off to all-time highs right now. So Ethereum looking pretty good. Let's go ahead and go over to the 4-hour real quick. So the 4-hour, again, right now the MACD is still curving to the downside, as well as Ethereum and the money flow. So 4-hour not looking too good. Potentially some short-term downside to retest this support at $2,000, and then potentially a bounce back up from there. But again, Ethereum's been doing really well the past couple days, so potentially a little cool off before reattempting to pump up to the highs. And then last but not least, going over Solana. So Solana here, Whales by Sell would have got you in at 1470. You can see the MACD also crossed, giving you confirmation, and then the RSI is going to the upside. Now the RSI, based off previous levels, looks like it still has some room to run, but the MFI Pro is starting to get oversold, so you can expect this probably potentially to cool off. There's some good support here at this 22.45 level, maybe DCA there, and then this next support of $20.70, potentially DCA down there, because it looks like we could have a reversal within the next day or two. But then going over on the 4-hour chart, so the 4-hour MACD is starting to curve down, RSI going down, and then the MFI Pro looks like it wants to curve down. So again, definitely could see us retesting the support at 2250 and then going here between that 2060 and 2130 level for that diagonal trend line. So definitely some good buy levels here on this pullback. I think Solana is a very good long term. A lot of DeFi projects are being built on top of it. And it has faster transactions, lower fees, and it's overall just faster in the terms of what it can do versus Ethereum. So definitely good project here, definitely good long term. So with that, if y'all had any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Again, you can go ahead and follow me on Twitter if you want. I have that in the links up there, and also have Discord as well. Again, if you want to join the Discord group, let me know. But till next time, thanks for watching.